Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to use the weather layer in Google Earth. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in googleearth.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Google Earth if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the top left side, we have the file, we have the view option, the add option, the tools, the help option, and the search option here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and use the weather layer in Google Earth. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first of all, what you need to do guys is of course utilize the layers button from the bottom left side of the screen. So you can turn on weather view from the layers button in the bottom left corner, which we have here. As you can see, the layers are here in the left side. And as you can see here, we can go and change the, of course, weather. So then you have, when you click the drop down negative sign and next to the weather, and click both the radar and clouds option. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.